Mavic Mini on top, and I'm flying the Mavic Pro 2 on the bottom. I'm gonna go and fly both of these together so you guys can see exactly what do you prefer. Is the Mavic Mini worth the money? I mean, just all the question right here for you is for you to decide. And I'm just flying it, both of them in a raw footage. And you can see what this Mavic Mini can do. And also, if you look at the bottom of the Mavic Pro 2, what it can also do. So for you guys to decide, is the Mavic Mini cheap? Is the Mavic Mini worth the money? Is the Mavic Mini a toy graded? Is the Mavic Mini a knockoff version? Now you guys can see exactly here, you know, just flying it both side by side. You guys gonna go ahead and see how these two drones perform in this environment. You can see the Mavic Pro 2, the sensor on the bottom said strong wind. There's more sensor, of course, in the bottom. The Mavic Mini on top, you can also say strong wind. So this is two drones here, just flying it, and for you guys to decide which is would you prefer. Would you spend $1,000, $1,500 starting up for a Mavic Pro 2, or you just want to go get yourself a $400 drone, or to $500 if you get a combo, or you get yourself a Mavic AiR. For you guys to decide. I didn't really put the Mavic here in this Mini because to me it's basically almost the same. I mean, of course, the Mavic Mini, I'm sorry, AiR shoots 4K, but you know, I did not really did that, but I have them in my other videos. But anyway, you guys can go ahead and check it out here for yourself. If you're a beginner, or if you want to be going to a professional, would you rather have AccuSync 2.0 transmission, or you just want a Wi-Fi transmission? I mean, it's not like it's gonna, you see that even though you have interference, it's gonna shut off in seconds. It's not like it's gonna be shutting off like minutes and return to home right away. It's not gonna do that. And you can see the Mavic Mini transmission still pretty good too. So it's not bad for a Wi-Fi. But anyway, I'm just showing you guys what these two drones can do for you guys to decide which way you prefer. But for my opinion, the Mavic Mini it flies like a pro. That's why it surprised me, you know, how it can handle the wind, and also how smooth flyer it is. And definitely not a knockoff. Definitely not a toy graded drone, I would say. And definitely not one of those second drone out there or aftermarket drone that we could replace a Mavic or something like that. So the only way you can get this footage is from the DJI Spark, also from a Mavic AiR, a Mavic Pro, a Mavic 2, and Phantom 3, and also Phantom 4 and up, I guess. But just letting you guys know, Mavic has its place. So just showing you guys here. But definitely not a cheap drone. Yes, the way the video, how smooth it is, how rock solid the footage right now, you guys can see. I feel like I'm flying a Mavic basically Pro. And I'm doing a quick shot here for both two drones, and they both can do it in low light. And you can see the Mavic Pro 2 is darker, has this rich reddish color because it collects light, because the sensor is big, you know, bigger sensor. Of course it does that. But you can always fix that in production once you do your editing. I just did a raw footage for you guys, so you guys can see exactly what this two can do. All right, thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, like, and share. And